Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to afford guys how can we unpair a Bluetooth speaker to our Redmi phone. Friends you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth speaker to your Redmi phone. So by how can you unpair it today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see how can we unpair Bluetooth speaker. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys scroll in, friends click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here, friends right side tap here, and guys you can see guys your phone calls and guys video audio guys you want to on and off, so you can on and off from here. If you want to off, so guys you can on and off from here. So guys you can see unpair option guys, tap on unpair, and guys you can see this speaker will unpair guys. We cannot use guys if we use, so we will have to pair again. So like that guys we can unpair our Bluetooth speaker to Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.